Simple as that to catch a rat.
Hello everyone, it's John from Chilliwack. So I've got rat traps set around the perimeter of my house, and now with the floods and all this rain, rats are out looking for food. They're moving around, they're going to higher ground. I got one right here. You can see these are one of my little old traps here, and inside there is a rat. I'll pull it out. So you can see the rat body inside there. Do we have a tail sticking out? Yeah, we got a tail sticking out. So the rat's caught inside the trap, and I'm going to dispose of it. There you go. Nice clean kill. That is one big rat. Look at that curly tail. Hello everyone. This is rat number 2 caught with my traps. I got this one underneath a wheelbarrow, a little bit of shelter for the rats. Put my wheelbarrow to the side there. Oh, there you go. See the huge tail hanging out of that trap? That's what you want to see. Another rat inside a trap. See what we got here. There's another one right inside. Perfect. We'll get rid of that. Look at the size of that rat. That is a monster. And he was going for the peanut butter with sunflower seeds, some raw sunflower seeds around the trap. The peanut butter was inside an eggshell. There you go. Let's dispose of that. Look at that. 2 rats caught with a Chilliwack rat trap. If you're interested in buying Chilliwack rat traps, contact me, John, at Chilliwack Rat. We have really nice rat traps available, the pet guard ones that I'm using out here in the backyard, and the regular classic trap. Take a look, I'll show you some pictures.
Simple as that to catch a rat.